Let's start with today's Leetcode Daily challenge. So today's daily challenge is a zigzag conversion problem, and in our problem we are given a string, and which is written in the zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. जैसे हमें we are given a string, and according to the problem we have to write in a zigzag manner like this, like PAY, and after that PALI SHIRING, and PayPal is hiding. Something like this is converted into zigzag manner. In a number of rows, then zigzag, then number of rows, then zigzag, then number of those, then zigzag. Okay, then after that we have to read it line by line, row by row. PAHNAPLSISHGYIR, and it's appended into a single string which we have to return as our result. We are given two numbers, string and the number of rows, which will be in our zigzag pattern. Okay, and we have to return the resultant string. So first thing, we will start by taking an example and we will discuss what the question is asking. So let's take this. Okay, in our question we are given this, and we have to write a zigzag pattern. It's like PAY. Number of rows is 3, so does 3. Number of rows is 3. Number of rows is 3. Yeah, number of rows is 3. You have to write this at three times, and then after that so one is here, only one is between the top and the bottom. So here we will write PAYP. Okay, then again I, after that S, after that again zigzag ISHIR, zigzag ING, and for a result we have to return the first row, second row, third row, append all of them in a string, and our result will be something like this: PANAPLSIIGYIR. Okay, and let's explain it further by taking second example. Let's take the second example, which is better one. Here the number of rows is 4. So what we can understand is that in a one row we can write only 4. PAYP, and then in our zigzag column we will write 2, because for the top and the bottom we can't make a zigzag pattern, something like this: PAPAL and SISHI, and then again zigzag IRING, something like that. Okay, that's how it will go on, and we have to collect all of them row wise and append them to form a result. So what we can notice in this problem is that we are getting a pattern, something like pattern. First in a first column we are getting 4 number of rows, and after that we are forming a zigzag n-2 times, and here is number of rows, and after that again we are getting a number of rows, then after that again zigzag. So what we are noticing here, that is for up to 0 to n we will write in one column, and after that we will have our zigzag, and after that again our whole column. So what I can think is of that is we will form a matrix. we will form a matrix. We will think of a matrix like structure, and we will traverse that matrix. First we will go down, then again zigzag, then again up and again down, and again zigzag, then again up and again down. That's how I will traverse this and fill my imaginary matrix. And side by side, while I am traversing, while I am filling my imaginary matrix, after that I will traverse the matrix row wise and make my result. Okay, so what we have to form is a matrix. This is a matrix, something like this. Matrix will have n rows, and the number of columns of matrix, we don't have to think about number of columns, because we will take a dynamic matrix. We will take vector of strings or vector of char, vector of vector, so we don't have to think about that. So in each row we will get our result. Okay, we will start filling this p a y 3. Okay, then after that with 3 are done, the only one zigzag p, after that okay, a l I, okay, then again zigzag s, again zigzag, again row column h I r, again zigzag I, again column n j and g. Okay, so now we have formed a matrix. We can just now how to fill our matrix. Okay, just as I will tell you how to fill it. First let's assume we have filled our matrix. How to form result from this? We will just traverse row by row and append each row to our result. We will get our result by appending what's stored in our each row to result. Okay, that's how we form result. Now let's understand how we will fill the matrix. Here what we can observe is that first we are writing n, first from 0 to n, that is from 0 to 3, we are writing it on first column, and after that n minus 2 times, that is 1, we are using a zigzag, and after that again 3 number 3 times we are using our column, and after that 1 we are using in a zigzag. But here we can observe is that when we are going in a column from up to down, we are incrementing the number of row, and while we are traversing in the zigzag, we are decrementing the number of row. Okay, so here is a trick. After we have gone up to 3, this is 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, 9 and 12. Here you got the pattern. The gap is of 3 3. So this is where the uh, swap is happening, when change is happening. Between this, in zigzag we will decrement the row number, and in this we will increment the row while we are traversing. From 0 to 3 we will increment, and while we are traversing from 4 to 6 we will decrement. And just like while we are traversing from, okay, then while we are traversing from 3 4 5 to 5 6 7 0 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 7 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. When we're traversing from 4 to 6 we will increment, and while we are from 7 we will decrement, and while we're from 6 to 6 we will decrement, and while from 7 8 and 9 we will increment. Okay, that's how we will go. We have now we will understand it further by code. We will maintain a variable flag. Okay, we will set flag is either, if flag is true we will increment, if flag is false we will decrement. Okay, and where we will change the value of flag, we will change the value of flag at this point and this point. Okay, first we will take as value as flag is true, this will go in increment, and then if we get it as this 0 1 2 3, this then we will swap the flag to false, and then we can decrement. If flag is false, we'll decrement. Flag is true, we'll increment. Okay, that's how we'll approach the problem. So let's code this, and I will explain it side by side by coding. Okay, first let's form a matrix in which we will store our result. Okay, matrix, and this will store result, and I for traversing the string, this I will traverse whole the string while filling the matrix, and this j will indicate the row of the matrix, and while we are filling it, this I will indicate the index of the string we are traversing, and j will indicate the row of the matrix. So we will traverse to the whole string now while filling the matrix. We will also maintain a flag variable. This flag will tell us whether we have to increment or whether we have to decrement while filling the matrix for the next row number. Okay, we don't have to care about the column of the matrix because we are taking a vector and we will just push it back, so we don't have to. So for deciding the row, we will use a flag. If flag is true, we will increment for the next row, and if flag is false, we will decrement for the next row. Okay, and where will the change is happening, we have to decide that. The change is happening on when the I is 0, that's it, when we are starting at 0. Okay, that's how, that when we will increment it, that will set the flag to true. Flag to true. Okay, and when 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, no 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, 12 13 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10. Oh, where I'm getting the mistake. Okay, let's take the other example. Stop this and we will draw for second one, and I will explain where the change is happening. That's the main grasp of the question. Okay, so there are 4 rows in the matrix. As you can see, the first row we will write pay, p. Okay, here the change is happening, so we'll write this as a. We'll decrement from here. And again we'll go and decrementing p a l, and then I will still decrementing. Then after that we will increment I s h I okay, SHI. Here we'll go like this, decrement. This is nothing. Decrement, increment. So this is our, okay, that's how we'll form this. So the change is happening at this point and at this point. Okay, so this is 0 1 2 3. Okay, then this is again 2 1 0, then this is 1 2 3. Okay, so change is happening at 3 and 0. Okay, I got it now. So that when we're starting this, when I is 0, we will set flag to true, and why? Well, I is 3, that's when we will set flag to false. Flag false means we will decrement, and flag true means we will increment. Okay, I is 3, I is 3 minus I is row number minus 1. Okay, that's like this. We will set flag to false, and now we'll append it to our row number. This is our row number, so don't this is our string traversal. Matrix J pushback. So I plus plus, and if flag is true, we have to increment, else flag is false, we have to decrement. That's how we will form a result. We will take a result as string, and we will traverse the vector. We will traverse the matrix. Associated now result. And we will return the string. Okay, let's run this and check. Oh, where I go? Oh, minor typing mistake. Oh my god, where I'm getting the error? Where I'm doing the mistake? Oh, I get it. Here n is s dot size. Okay, and no, I will traverse s set. That's why I'm getting the mistake. We have to traverse the row for that. Okay, I'm getting the right answer. So let's submit this. Oh, I'm getting a runtime error. Okay, I got it. My code won't work for single one. Okay, why won't it work for single one? Because for single string, because in that we are not traversing anywhere. So if number of rows is 1, that means you just have to return the string. Because if n is 1, all of the answer will lie on the first row, so we will append all the rows, all the strings, all the value of chars in the first row and return the result as it is, so no change. Okay, let's try to submit again. Okay, this is the today's Leetcode challenge.